Alright, coming up to Maze. Looks like you're going to go northbound on Maze. And now northbound on Maze. Looks like it's obeying traffic laws and speed limits, but not stopping for our cruiser.
The video for today is an example of how frustrating it can be for an officer to do his job while following an extremely restrictive pursuit policy. A simple explanation of the Columbus Police pursuit policy is that if you can shoot it, you can chase it. Anything else takes a great deal of consideration. Here you see an officer following a vehicle that does not have its lights on. This is a clear violation of traffic law. The officer activates his lights and siren, but the vehicle refuses to pull over.
On channel 1.
122.
I have a vehicle refusing to stop 71 southbound, just passing the 270 east exit. License plate John Young Paul 4255.
You're 71 southbound where?
Just past the 270 east exit, coming up to 161.
Yeah, southbound, 161. Number 1. Driver 122's got 171 southbound, coming up 161, refusing to stop. Trouble now, we were about 2 minutes out. That's 5 people away.
122, be advised, this is out of traffic. I am not pursuing obeying all traffic laws.
What do you expect an officer to do in this situation? According to the policy, the officer must deactivate his lights and siren, but can stay behind the vehicle as long as it's not recklessly fleeing or eluding. In this case, the officer remained behind the vehicle while following all traffic laws. The current policy does not allow for a pit maneuver in this situation, but it should. At some point, you have to trust the officer behind the wheel to make the right decision, rather than have their actions micromanaged by administrators in high-rise buildings who have completely forgotten how to do the job.
When you get a chance, can you mark that on 5A? Set out. Sean, but we're about 71, 74 now. We have convenience on.
122, we are now passing Morris Road, still southbound. Vehicle does not have any taillights on.
right there, 162.
Copy. Now passing Cook Road.
Alright, passing channel 630 here. That's 18, I copy. Some car should stay on some. We are coming up on North Ball Broadway and taking the exit, looks like. Coming to North Broadway.
122 looks like he's going to be taking a left, heading eastbound.
Okay, we can start you that way. 1165 outside. Looking for Megan. She's a tall female one with long red hair. Apparently she stole a case of beer and now she's selling it out on the line.
Alright, Jones, the currently stopped at a red light. See if he stays put.
Driver! Stop the car! Stop your car! Turn the engine off!
Please. Yeah, 18, I'm getting off the Broadway now. Alright, car's taking off. Continuing eastbound. To reach. Yep. Alright, coming up to Maze. Looks like he's going to go northbound on Maze. And now northbound on Maze. Looks like he's obeying traffic laws and speed limits, but not stopping for our cruiser. Alright, open park at a red light and made a right hand turn, open park, incomplete stop. Eastbound open park. So we're getting ready for a possible swoop. Alright, passing Howie, they have their right turn signal on. And Howie, alright, thanks for a U-turn, or trying to do a U-turn. Cruise again.
Shut the car off!
Walk them in.
Shut it off now! Shut the car off! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands up! Face away from me! Face away! Turn around! Put your hands behind your head! Turn around!
Alright, we have two cruisers with them. It'd be nice if we have one more just to make sure they don't get out of there. And they can